Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to revolutionize your home entertainment experience with the most advanced audio technology available? The YAMAHA RX-V6A 7.2-Channel AV receiver is here to change the game. This powerful device is packed with cutting-edge features that will take your viewing and listening to the next level. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, you'll be immersed in a world of crystal-clear sound and stunning visuals. The YAMAHA RX-V6A is well-reviewed and a popular choice among many customers who have experienced its exceptional performance. One of the standout features of this receiver is its ability to deliver 4K resolution at 120 frames per second, creating a seamless and lifelike viewing experience. You'll feel as if you're right in the action, with every detail sharp and defined. The HDMI with HDCP 2.3 and eARC ensures that you can enjoy high-definition audio and video without any loss of quality. Additionally, with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirPlay 2, and Spotify Connect, you can stream your favorite music and movies from any device, effortlessly. The voice control feature, compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant devices, allows you to take control of your entertainment experience with just your voice, making it easy to switch between different sources, adjust the volume, and more. You can also access a wide range of music streaming services, including Pandora, Spotify, and Tidal, giving you endless options to suit your mood. Whether you're watching a movie, playing games, or listening to music, the YAMAHA RX-V6A 7.2-Channel AV receiver is the perfect choice, offering unparalleled sound quality and versatility. With its impressive features and capabilities, it's no wonder this receiver is a top choice among many, and it's sure to elevate your home entertainment experience to new heights. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.